Welcome back. We have...
Wait, sorry if there's an ad. This box. Here.
Panini Clear Vision.
Sorry if you can hear this ad because I'm doing this thing on a YouTube channel.
1516.
For the song.
There we go. That's tough plastic.
Okay,
Alright.
okay, is it just me or is this just gonna stay black?
There is 4 cards per pack.
And you can
5
find
packs
an
per box.
ultra rare.
Ultra rare bronze parallels.
Well, it's kind of literally. Stop it, thing.
Ultra rare.
Yes.
See if we get an ultra rare.
Yes. Yeah, that's our goal. If we don't get it ultra rare, I'm gonna stab myself.
No, he's not.
Yes, I am. Somebody said on their comments.
Ooh.
Did we get a super rare?
Oh
my God, that's
the way the cards look. Never opened one of these. We got this guy. Pretty cool. Clear. We got Chris Bosh.
And I found a weird little
Nothing.
box.
Filler.
We've seen these
Serge
before.
Ibaka.
When we know. We've seen these things before when we didn't start this YouTube channel.
Clear
this
Visionaries.
was way before. Nickelodeonic Nuggets. From the Nuggets.
15 out of 99.
Nickelodeonic Nuggets.
Scottie Pippen.
Nickelodeonic Nuggets. Nuggets.
Rookie card.
Genius. Oh my God. Do you see this long word, people? Look at the bottom. You see that long.
Where's my pack go?
Just, I won't read the last name. I don't know what it says. Call Milk Slap. Sap.
Regular card. Not rare. Here's a filler.
Tony Parker.
Draymond Green Clear Vision. Number 98 and a 99. That's pretty cool.
I think this is the last pack. If we don't get an ultra rare.
No, this is the last pack.
If we don't get an ultra pack, ultra card,
Danilo Granala.
I will literally.
Tony Parker.
I will literally delete the YouTube app.
No, you won't.
Yes, I will. I'm being serious.
Normal. Nothing cool.
No, I'm actually not being serious. And in our last video, I added a comment, and you read that because. Okay, I'll just say it. It says, "Sorry that we didn't wear our Christmas hats in our last video." And then I say, if that's okay.
Andrew Wiggins.
Yeah.
So, yeah. Steve Nash, dude's gone.
Do not get get an ultra rare.
Eric Bledsoe.
Blake Griffin.
He's good. Jeff Teague.
Nope. My name is Jeff.
Blake Griffin's cool.
Brandon Knight. Guess
Cool.
what? Somebody in a video, for no reason, even though the YouTubers weren't talking about Jeff, somebody said in all caps, "My name is Jeff." And that
Last
guy's
one.
weird.
What do you got? Something cool?
Stanley Johnson Pistons.
Rookie card.
Greg Monor. No! Ultra rare!
No, over there.
And sorry if I threw that card. I'm gonna go get
Alright, we'll do another one of those.
Wait! Like and subscribe.